palindrome. So, what actually a palindrome means? Here, there is a word called mom. So, whenever we were going to reverse this word mom and check is there any change in the word or change in the alphabetical order within the word, if there is any change, such type of words are not palindromes. But if we reverse this mom, M-O-M, M to the third element, O in the second element as usually, and third element to the first element. So whenever we reverse this, we reverse this, we get the same word as it is. Such type of words are called as palindromes, right? So we are checking whether a given word or given string is palindrome or not. So this is our major task. For this, we can use slicing in Python. So slicing is available only in Python programming. So it won't be available in Java or some other programming languages as of my knowledge. So by using the slicing, we can easily determine whether this particular word or a string is palindrome or not. Right. So what I did is mom string is assigned to a string and this string is going to be a reverse by using slicing method in Python. So what actually here is in slicing, here we will give a start number and here we will give an end number. So we are not giving anything here and making the step to be -1. Here it is the step value. As we keep -1 over here, this thing will be completely reversed. Right? So as it is reversed, MOM, reverse MOM will be stored in string 1. And what we are checking that if string is equals to string 1, in the sense if this string is equals to reversed string, let me make it as a reversed string. We'll copy this, right. So by using slicing, we reverse this particular word mom and stored it in a variable called reverse string. And we are checking that whether if actual string is equals to reverse string, then we are going to conclude such type of word or string is a palindrome. If not, it is not a palindrome. Simple, right? So I will check whether this code performs well or not. Ooh, wow. Mom, it's a palindrome. Now, I will check it with dad. Dad. Dad is also a palindrome. Now, I will check it with daddy. Daddy is not a palindrome. Why? Because if we reverse this, exact alphabetical order won't be appeared in the reversed stream. Therefore, it is not a palindrome. So this is of all about how to determine whether a given word or string is palindrome or not. I hope you found this video well. We use slicing concept here to determine whether this word is palindrome or not in a very easier and faster method. Thank you for watching this video till the end and continue to the channel to learn the top 100 Python programming codes.